What could be some like easy things that if parents listening, they could add that it's beyond the typical like protein that we would think like chicken nuggets or, a hot food or something else?
Dairy is a great option, whether it's like Greek yogurt, right, higher in protein, or it's just like a shelf-stable milk you can send too, like those in the cartons. Those are great. Yeah. Things like, I like to do pumpkin seeds. So pumpkin seeds can provide a lot of protein in just a small amount. A bean or lentil-based pasta, like if they want to eat a cold noodle, like that's great. Like, so we can't always assume that it has to be prepared in a specific way either if they tolerate that. So there's definitely a lot of options. Oh, hard-boiled egg is another great one too that you can send along. So depends on what your kid enjoys.